Hi everybody, I'm back with another video. I have some more information I want to share with you. Maybe you're looking information up about a company called Survey Junkie. If you didn't know, Survey Junkie is basically a website where you can get paid for sharing your opinion. You can even earn rewards. I've been using them for quite some time. The pay is very good. To get started, all you need to do is click the link under my video, go to the website, just enter your email, sign up, and complete your first survey. That's all you got to do. Once you sign up, just go to your email, confirm your email. That way they'll have your information and you can log in, you can start making money with it. Once again, Survey Junkie, it's 100% free. So if you don't have money to get started, spending money online or making money like that with, paid ads and stuff, I recommend you try Survey Junkie. It's very easy. The surveys that they give you, they're not very long. So this is just another good way where, you can start generating some income online. And like I said, I've been using them for quite some time. I know a lot of people are wondering how good it is and does it work very well. And it does work, and it actually does pay you money. So if you want to make money, I recommend you give Survey Junkie a try. Like I said, click the link under the video and go to the website to sign up. Confirm your email, log in, and just start taking surveys. It's really that easy. And every day they're going to email you surveys and stuff like that. So you're going to have lots of opportunities to make money, and they pay very well. They pay much better than a lot of these other survey companies, and it's free. So click the link under the video and go to the website, sign up, and get started. And if this is the first time you see my video, please like my video, and also subscribe to my channel because I'm going to be giving you guys the best ways you can make money from home. Even work from home jobs. Survey Junkie is not a job, but it's a way you can generate some income, especially, if you have 10, 15 minutes a day. I recommend you spend it doing surveys with them because they pay very well and the surveys are easy to do. So once again, click the link under the video, go to the website, join Survey Junkie, complete those surveys. And also please like my video and subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications. So when I upload videos and I give out information, you'll know first, and you'll be able to make money. So until next time, take care.